The Jeep Grand Cherokee 2024 is designed with several convenient ways to open the trunk, including controls inside the cabin. This feature is especially useful when you want to access the cargo area without stepping outside the vehicle. Whether you're loading groceries, retrieving luggage, or simply checking the storage compartment, the interior trunk release allows quick access to the rear hatch. Depending on the trim level, the vehicle may also include a powered liftgate that opens automatically when activated from inside. Try these. Step 1. Start the vehicle or turn the ignition to accessory mode so the electronic controls are active. Step 2. Locate the power liftgate or trunk release button, usually found on the driver's door panel or dashboard. Step 3. Press the liftgate release button once to activate the rear hatch mechanism. Step 4. Wait a moment while the powered liftgate automatically unlocks and begins to open. Step 5. If your model has a manual tailgate, press the release and then open the trunk from the rear once it unlocks.